Kuble pi baro ngi priang so bhai pi shakathup khubor menta ka janmit shobang in pai shiki khubor ki babnya ngini pet choi ki mat ki bakongsan Lashai kasgi on pelat menteri rangba du kari Narendra Modi ka jing ya lapat ba bantuwa jingmut naki samla kari halor ka jing yo i jingai jongki ya ka viksat Bharat 8000 salpong nyo Penyad menteri katanat ki kampo yeng ka sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah ya ka jing lang ba apon riu jong ka Eastern Zonal Council hapatna Lapinlong ya katura Megong International Literary Festival Hapok Kapang Pedeng Literature for Cultural Preservation. Khot tender ka sarkar jilla banshan ki kot pule jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education. But lasdang ya ka Khelo India Para Games ka ba ningkong e ha ka nongba Delhi. Ki khubor ki ba pnya Menteri rangba du kari Narendra Modi unsas dang ya ka jing ya lapat ba lashai kasgi bantuwa jingmut neki samla kari halor ka jing yo i jingai jongki ya ka viksat Bharat 8000 salphonyo habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka nongba Delhi menta kasgi u CEO ka Niti Ayog u BVR Subramaniam ulaong baki Vice Chancellor bat ka kli jongki hinyo spa tadi ki school ba kinedon lang ha ka Raj Bhavan Uong baman ka Raj Bhavan kin pinlong ka workshop bashisngi halor ka viksat Bharat ulaong ru baki samla pule jong ka ri kinlong kinong yalam khmat ki bakraw jong ka viksat Bharat ulaong baka jing ai jingmut jong ki samla pule onsa bin rap lang bat ka jingo i jingai ha ka viksat Bharat Lapinlong ka jing lang ba arphon riu jong ka Eastern Zonal Council mentakasngi hapatna yakani ka jing lang lapinya do menteri katanat ka Kampo yeng sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah ki zonal council ki long ki badan kamban pinbed ki jinge pher hapdeng ki artali ki jilla ki babun bat ki mat ki bayadei bat ka than lingba ka jinge kren snotho hapdeng ki jilla ki balong de khot hakani ka jinge lang laikren halor ki mat ki bakun thop ki jing sam ki jing don jing em ka jing sam ki khajna ka jinge ka japut hapdeng ki jilla bat ki kam an ki jilla balong de khot ki ba long ru ki ka jingduna ka bayade bat ka sarkar pedeng Lapin kut no ekatura Megong International Literary Festival ka baning kong balapin long habaljek jengal henden kaski hagbapin pau ya ka jingru spa ka tho ka tar bat ka kolshor ka Meghalaya hakani ka tamasa ka balapin ya da ka Don Bosco College haringkat ka jingas no khti lang ka Achik Literature Society ka wanra ka jing long bakar pang jong ka jingiken bat ka tho Qatar habok kapang Literature for Cultural Preservation. Kajing don ringkat menteri rangba ka jilla u Konrad ke sangma kum unong san kong san haka kalanang pension kun ya kani katamasa. Menteri katnat puli puthi ka sarkar jongi u rakam sangma ula long kum usong sembut kong san hakani kaski. Haba ai jingkren hakani kasngi u Konrad Ulayaro ya ka jing IT jong kan ni ka tamasa sya ka tho katar bat ban pinne pinsa ya ka kolshor bat halor ka jing non kamban yo ya ka jing itho
He adds another point, gives another advantage for the demand that we have to include Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. So therefore, it is important to continuously do this program and to ensure that we are able to do this even from Khasi Hills side. Many programs are happening. I've told the Khasi Author Society also that I'm always there to support. I'm always there to push their cause and to work closely with them. And I would, through this platform, would like to assure the Khasi Author Society and as well as the Achik Literature Society to please continue your work. And we as a government will always be there to support you in all your endeavors.
Ka sarkar Meghalaya kala khot tender ke bakwa banshan ki kot ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos nakabenta usnam banwan hakaba hap ban pindep ha shwaban kut ubnai kala lingkot jong usnam banwan Menteri katnat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla u rakam e sangma ulaong bakani ka long ka tang shipor bat habayade bat ka laway on pindon kam diki kot ka NCERT ka banyat ringkat bat ka National Education Policy 8000 arpho Usangma ulaong baka sarkar jilla kalayo kalayo ya kajing bit na ka NCRT hakabayade bat kajing penthamai ki kot pule na benta ki skul hakajilla.
Within the day, we have got the copyright from the NCRT, and then the embossers already called for EOI for the printing of our own edition textbook. But this is just for the interim period. But for long-term period, NCRT will be having the new textbook, new edition, in line with the NEP 2020. But having said so, in 2024 years, as I said earlier, we will be developing. The Meghalaya Board of School Education will be developing.
Hakabayade bat kajingken no bajelay ka kamti doyong bean hakajilla unong yalam kaseng BJP kajilla uba M kharkrang ulabetha ya ka sarkar jilla bakanshim khia halor ka kaipot jongka high court ukdo bakam don hong ya kaseng bakan tuklar persha ya ka jingti doyong bean namar om don ka sabut ka babiang hado menta Dangshen ka High Court ka lajurip benya ya ka interim report ka bakhat pra ka balawan ra da u justice retired u BP kataki u bala penlong ya ka jinglet jingo sha East Jantia Hills but kiwe ki than but ong bahap banshim khya ya ka jinglong jingman ka interim report ka bakhat pra ka kdo bakumno ka jingti but jingkhai do yong bean kadang yo ban peteng hap po ka jilla
one after the other, explaining the High Court. So, the thing is, we are not really privy to all those documents which the government has given the High Court, not. And if it's a fact, then I think so the government also will have to act upon it, I feel. Government will have to act. Because it's none other than the High Court has made some, Honorable High Court has made an observation, so I think it has to be taken seriously.
Halor ka jingsha jit jong umentri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi kum unong yalam ba pau khmat e hakaperthei da ka US based decision intelligence company kinong yalam kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party kilakam ba kikam bakrau jong umodi kilapau perthei wat haka survey na shabari ru katkum ka survey balale da ka morning consult Modi ula yo kumbah nyopong riu na kashispa ka global approval rating Unong aiktin kaseng BJP na Meghalaya uba Mariahom kharkrang ulaong ba kalong ka basngaw sarong omtang ya kaseng BJP Henry Watla yakari barok kaway ba umentri rang ba jongkari India ula no shadin ya barok kinong yalam jongkari kaperthai banpoy hakakardan ka bahakli do hakathup jong kinong yalam ba paukhmat kaperthai
country leader in the whole world even bypassing all the other leaders in Western countries also. So I think so we should continue to allow him to lead this country of ours, and I do hope that one day Meghalaya also will come under his leadership, and Meghalaya will also be led by a BJP party.
Kahima khat arling do kalapin scam yo uling do karat nongpo dakwa ko bor pura na kabenta ban pinyat bat ban kpi ya kahima kabayde bat kajing bat kakendon antin rai ya kani kajing pen scam balapen long hapelau kaying shnong sajer layo I ba u pillar stone sim nong shai ubade uling do kahima khat arling do ulashim ya kabenta kabakongsan u deputy CM ka KHADC uba PNCM u MDC ka nongpo uba balajit rani ringkat urang ba shnong nalor ki weipat kila sakhi yakani ka jingpen scam yakani ka sngi la pin pho pin phing de ki jing shat be ki jing raiten rai ki balashim benta de ki samla kani ka shnong bat la pin kut pat da ka jing IT ya ka sanat ka balong ka dak ka jingpen scam kum uling do jong ka rat nongpo Kipulit ka East Khasi Hills kilayo kem no ya laingut kibriu ki bodon kti ha kabanya stan ki kali halat umkhra police point. Ka video ka blasa pryang stat ha karin san social media ha kabalayo I bekini ki samla ki lanya khlem akor ka kali kini ki laingut ki la sha kem kila kubur bakilale ekani ke kam hadin bakila di kiat. Ya kani ke kali la yok kurep dakikan hun jengki pulit kalat umkra balalam khmadu officer in charge na karkhanash na kali halat kor kenton umon hadin baki pulit kiladap register mokot duma su moto haka la umkra police station. Kipulit kila kentui ki samla ban kiar na kibakum kini ki rukomnya kali namar omtang kabu ke jingma yele ki shimet hendrai kawanra ru ke jingma ki wei ki bayat hasurok lebet ha ru ki patba ban pintip lada ki syam yakum kini ki jat jingnya kali dak bafun ha un number iwei ar Haba pentikna bo upresiden kaseng BJP haka jilla ulong ubri ubakloy ben pinbet ya kajingduna unong aiktin kaseng BJP uba marihom karkrang ulakhot ya kadkhot kaseng kibam ya snothu jingmut banwan shaka office jong kaseng ba ben pinbet ya kajinge per jingmut lingba ka jingkren om ban shuthat madan hakmat ki patba halor ka jingkli kabalami shaphang ka jingrung ya kattu katni kinong elam ki badon hapeng ke jinge per jingmut haka executive committee ke badang shudap jit thamai uba kharkrang ulaong bayakani kamat la banya kren bat ban penbet halor kamat ke bayadai pat bat ki kertong banya khun haka election ke yeng dorbar lok sabha banwan uba kharkrang ulaong bakaseng kemi ke bayalam ya ka sarkar haka ripat pat shemlapan ya kerteng jungki kertong
I think so probably because now after these 5 elections have been declared, probably we expect that something will come up from national leaders. So let's wait. I mean, it's too early now, so let's wait for some more time.
Ka Khelo India Para Games beningkong hakari kelas dang menta kasngi ha New Delhi. Palat khat saus pa ngut kinong yele kai niki laipo artali ki jilla but union territories bukunthop ya ka services sports control board kilashim benta hakani ka lumpong yele kai ba prasngi lenter kinong yele kai kinye khun but yakne ya naam ba kaburam haka hinyotli ki jat jingele kai ka jingthmu jong ka Khelo India Para Games ka long ban pin yo yakilat ki kabu na ka benta ki riu it yele kai ban pin paw ki sap ka phong jongki ban kintiu yela ki jing im jongki haki kamele kai katnat youth affairs ban sports kala ong ba kinong yele kai ki balashim menta hakani ka Khelo India Para Games kinyo ekala jing sumar ba pura mentapat nginipet ekajing long jingman ka sun beneng ha shillong Kajing shit kalong kat hinyo 0.8 degrees Celsius, but kajing kriat kalong hinyo degree Celsius. Kajing skam ka how kalong san po kandai na kashi spa min step, but pra na kashi spa janmit. Kala bandon kajing hap slap ka malumala hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Shoban poi shaka bakut nginya pet biang sa shisi ni kimat ki bakongsan. Lashai kasi on pelaj u Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi ke jing yalapat ba bantuat jingmut ki samla kari halor ke jingyo I jingai ke jongki ke Viksit Bharat ahja sa ponyo Penyaj u Menteri katnat ki kampo yeng ke sarkar prengu Amit Shah ke jing yalang ke ba arpong riu jongka Eastern Zonal Council hapatna Lapinlong Katura Megong International Literary Festival hapok kapang preng Literature for Cultural Preservation. Kot tender ka sarkar jilla banshan ki kot puli jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education. Bat lasdang ka Khelo India Para Games ka beningkong hanongba Delhi. Te parlok nakitu ki khubor ngilapoi shakabukot jong kathup khubor jangi menta ka janmit hadu bingin syambyang la shai kaski khublei shibon